In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete search history on Instagram. First, let's start by opening the Instagram app on your mobile device. You will see the familiar home screen filled with posts from accounts you follow. This is where your Instagram journey begins. Once the app is open, you'll be ready to navigate through your account settings. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for the actions you will take next. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal profile page where you can see your posts, followers, and following. Your profile is your digital identity on Instagram, and it's essential to be familiar with it. From here, you can access all the settings related to your account. After that, tap the Azure menu icon, which is usually found in the top right corner of your profile page. When you tap this icon, a menu will slide out, revealing various options available to you. This menu is your gateway to different features and settings on Instagram. It's important to become comfortable with this menu as it contains vital functions that help you manage your account. With the menu open, tap on Settings and Activity. This action will guide you to a page where you can manage your account settings in more detail. The Settings and Activity section is crucial for maintaining control over your privacy and security on Instagram. Ensuring you know where to find these options helps you navigate your account with ease. Now, tap on Account Center. This feature allows you to manage connected accounts and permissions. By accessing the Account Center, you will have a clearer view of how your accounts interact with each other. It's a handy tool that helps streamline your experience across different linked accounts. From there, tap on your information and permissions. Here you will find a variety of settings related to your account information and what permissions you've granted. This section is important because it helps you understand and manage the data Instagram collects from you. Keeping tabs on your information ensures your account remains secure and personalized. Next, tap on Search History. This will display all the recent searches you have made on Instagram. Being aware of your search history is crucial, especially if you want to maintain your privacy or simply want to start fresh. It's an easy way to see what information Instagram has recorded based on your activity. Now, select your Instagram account if you have multiple accounts linked. This ensures you are managing the correct account search history. It's essential to be precise here to avoid accidentally clearing the wrong account's data. You want to be sure you are making the changes you intend. Next, tap Clear All Searches. Upon doing this, you will see a prompt asking you to confirm the deletion. This step is vital because it gives you a final chance to reconsider your action. By confirming, you are fully committed to erasing your search history. Finally, confirm the deletion. After you tap the confirmation, your search history will be cleared. You should see a message indicating that the deletion was successful. This final step ensures that your changes are saved and you can now enjoy a fresh start in your search history on Instagram. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your search history on Instagram. Now you can navigate your account with more privacy and control. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.